So somehow in between dinner and bedtime, this place got even worse than what it already was. Those are all of my boxes for shipping out. Some of my Boss Mom tumblers. And then I just didn't get to clean any of this up from dinner. So this area is just crazy. And then I feel like everybody just went wild in here too before bed. So I'm gonna clean just kind of like this whole downstairs area now before I have to do some editing and some emails. I hope you get some cleaning motivation from this Clean With Me After Dark. Make sure you click that thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Adam had a meeting that ran late this day, so I was on solo duty for dinner with the kids, and I was running late putting them to bed. So I didn't have them help me clean up or anything, so it was truly a mess by the time that they were asleep before I could start straightening and cleaning. So I hope that this motivates you to have that extra burst of energy that you might need to get your home in order tonight before bed. I'm sure you've had a long day and cleaning is the last thing you want to do, but it's always nice to wake up to a clean and straightened home. And thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. HelloFresh comes right to your door and I'm obsessed with it if you don't already know. I love pouring my wine and I love how easy the recipes are. It's so convenient and you'll love being able to whip up dinner in around 30 minutes when you have HelloFresh on hand. It's super simple. You no longer have to buy ingredients for a recipe that you'll never use again or throw things away, thanks to all of the pre-measured ingredients. HelloFresh is truly part of my weekly routine now, so I spend less time meal planning and grocery shopping and get that time back because life is crazy for us right now. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving and it's America's #1 meal kit. You can get started with 6 meals free. That's 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes. Just go to HelloFresh.com and enter Brianna K60 for a total of $60 off. I'll have the link in my description box too. I have a little helper helping me guys with our fajita bar. Those look so good.
For me.
Whatever one you want.
I want that one with the big selfie.
Okay, I hope that this saves you some time and gives you some new meals. We've never had one meal we didn't like, which is why I always partner up with HelloFresh.
The meal yours, Mommy. Papa.
But let's get back to that cleaning motivation. Let's clean up the kitchen after that dinner. I had so many dishes and I really wanted to do a deep clean of the sink too. So I love using my scrub brush and some dish soap and mix that with some scrubbing powder, and that really deep clean it. And I'll run the garbage disposal when I rinse it all down, and then it smells amazing afterwards. Next, I'm just wiping down all of my countertops, and everything smelled like pumpkin. It was amazing. And then I'm gonna clean out the microwave, clean the stovetop, and wipe down all of my stainless steel appliances. Moving into the kids' room, I'm just tidying up their table and wiping everything down with that same pumpkin scent. Then in the dining room, dusting everything, and I'm using almond scented wood polish to wipe down the dining room table. This also smells so good. Time to clean up the floor, so I'm gonna first do a quick vacuum of the family room and the kitchen. And finally, using my hurricane mop and mopping the floors in the kitchen and in the family room. And I hope that this gives you that cleaning motivation that you need. Make sure you click the thumbs up if it did. Make sure that you are subscribed. And don't forget to try HelloFresh. I honestly think you will love it. and I have heard nothing but good things from all of my friends who've tried it as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves!